Hello students, myself Ashish Mitro. Today I am taking the class of mechanical engineering drawing, and the subject is mechanical engineering drawing, and the chapter is orthographic views and sections. I have already discussed about the orthographic views and sections in the previous class. Today I give you some problems that you have to solve it in your drawing sheet, or you have to draw it in your drawing sheet. So what is the rules? First of all, take the drawing sheet. Actually, the drawing sheet has two faces. One face is smooth face, another one is rough face. So always draw the drawing in the rough face of the drawing sheet. So keep the rough face in front of you, and place it above the drawing board and fix the drawing sheet with the help of board clip in the drawing board. As you know that, as I have told earlier in classes or in the previous year also, that first of all you have to draw the border line in the drawing sheet. Then you draw the drawing, and the right hand bottom corner you have to make a nameplate also. Okay, that you know, everybody you know, I think. So today I am giving you some problem that you have to draw in your drawing sheet. So it is a orthographic views and sections. So problem number 1, that is in your screen, you can see the draw the top view, front view and right side view of the given figure. Means this is a figure that is in front of you. This is a figure. Actually one arrow sign is there. Arrow means you are standing in this side. You are standing here in front of the object. This is any object or the parts of any mechanical machine or anything. It is an object. So you have to draw this. Orthographic view means here is given the top view, front view and right side view. Actually top view is also called plan, and the front view is also called elevation, and the right side view means right hand side view. So whatever you see in your right hand side of the object, you have to draw it. Now arrow sign means that you are standing here. So front view means whatever you see from this side, of the object, so you have to draw it in your front view. And top view means you are here, you are seeing from the top side. Whatever you see from the top side, you have to draw in your top view. And right hand side, actually this is a three-dimensional picture. Three-dimensional view means we are seeing here the front side, top side and right hand side. So we have to draw the right hand side also. Actually in our syllabus or in India, the rules of first angle projection, we adopt the first angle projection. So in first angle projection, in orthographic views, the front view is drawn above the top top view is behind, not behind, below the front view, and we have to draw the right hand side view, means that we have to draw the right hand side view in the left side of the front view. So first of all, you have to draw just like this. Whatever you see that I have already drawn it. The two lines, one is XY line, this was is XY line, and this one is another line, vertically line. You have to draw this line with the help of your T square in your drawing sheet, and this line, this vertical line, you have to draw this line with the help of T square, and by placing the T square, by placing the set square above the drawing board, and keep the bottom side fixed, attached with the T square, then you can draw this vertical line. So draw these two lines, XY and X1 Y1. You can see here, draw these two lines. Then we have to draw here, the object is here, you can see we have to draw the front view, top view and right hand side. Means we have to draw from the front view either here or here, and top view either this bottom side of this XY line, either here or here, either in this place or here, and the right hand side is always to be drawn in the left hand side of the front view. So if we place front view here, and if we draw the right hand side view left of the front view, and the top view is below the front view, we draw front view here, right hand side view left side of the front view, and top view in this side, So then we can follow the first angle projection rule. So first of all, we have to draw the front view with the help of this first angle projection, and the object is here. So if you stand here perpendicularly to these faces, so how many faces that we can see from our front side? You can see here, we can see this face is our, we can see it from the front. This face is also we can see from the front, and this total face, and this face also from the top side. But from the front, that is the, we can see the front, this side, this face also we can see from the front, and this inclined face that we can see from the front, that we have to draw in our drawing. So what is the rules? First of all, we make two perpendicular lines, two lines XY and X1 Y1 perpendicular to each other. Then draw another line, you can see here, that is a thin line. XY and X1 Y1 is a thick line, but you can see here the two lines are also there that we have drawn. Actually in our drawing, take 10 millimeter from XY above and below, and take 10 millimeter from this vertical line. From here we draw these lines, these thin lines we can draw. Take 10 millimeter distance, at a distance of 10 millimeter. Now here we see that, see the object. The first of all, we have to take the left hand bottom point of this object from the front side, So this point is the left hand bottom point of this object or of this drawing, of this figure. So this point you have to place here, because this is here we draw the front view here. So take the left hand side bottom point, this point at here. This is the bottom point here, in this point. So take here this point, and what should be the height? Its height is, you can see its height is 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. This height is 50 millimeter. So we have to draw all these faces in this surface, in this side. So take, first of all we have to draw this rectangle, so whose height is 12 millimeter is given here, and whose width is how much? 63. So take 12 millimeter height. Actually you have to draw this with the help of, by measuring the distance by your scale, but here I am not measuring, I am just showing you how you can draw. So I am not taking the exact dimension, you have to take the exact dimension. So just you see, so first of all we draw this rectangle in here. Take this point here, we place this point here, and take 12 millimeter at the top, and the width is 63. And height also, for this line we draw this rectangle here, 12 millimeter height rectangle, and total height is how much? That is 50 millimeter. So you can draw 50 millimeter also. 50 millimeter, this one is 63, and suppose 50 millimeter is here up to this, take this point. So for this inclined edge, if we see it from the front side, then we can see it's a line of height from here to here. Inclined line, if we inclined line means if we saw it from the front, then its height is from the horizontal just like this height. So take 50 millimeter from bottom to top, 50 millimeter. This is 12 millimeter, means that you have to draw another 50 minus 12 minus it means how much? 38. So take 38 millimeter as a line, just like this. Similarly, this side also you can get another line, that is 50 millimeter, and draw the top portion also. Understand? Now we have to draw this rectangle. How we can got it? At present, this height, we don't know this height, how much. This is the inclined face, so we can't know the height. So it will be drawn later with the help of another view. This portion, these faces. So total height is there. Then you can see also here is another line that you can see. If we stand here, we can see this gap also above. So this distance is 22 and this distance also is 22. So take 22 from here and 22 for total is how much? Total is 63 width. So 22 and 22, if you deduct the 22 means 43 from this from total width, then we can get how much? If this is 22, this is 22 means 44. So 44 and 19. If we take 19, this it means that this distance from here to here, this is 19. From take 22 from here and 22 from here and here, then you can get the distance, this 19 distance. And what is the depth? 12 millimeter. So we can see this gap also. So we have to draw on here this gap also. This is 12 millimeter height, this is 19 and this is 12 millimeter. But we can't see this gap top line, so erase it. So this is the gap that we can see. This gap we can see from the top. This gap is also we can see from the top. This gap I can see from the top. So erase this one. I'm taking a book. So just a minute. So erase this gap. So this line we can see from the top. You can see here that in the front side we don't know the height. We don't know the height of this one also and this one also. So we don't know. It will be get from the left side view, right side view. So now I am drawing the right hand side view, means this side, these faces. Now I am drawing these faces. This face we can see from the right hand side, and also we can see this face, this shaded face, we can see it from the right hand side view. So draw a projection line here, and extreme left means if we see it from the right hand side, means I am here. Now I am seeing here this portion, I am seeing from this portion, I am here for seeing the right hand side view. So we can see from this position, if I am here in this position, then I am seeing only these faces and these faces, this triangle face, this face and this face and this face. So height we can get by draw a projection line. Actually you have to draw with the help of set square or T, but I am drawing here freehand because this is not possible to draw with the help of T or set square, because there is no drawing board. So this is a projection line. So from the right hand side view, this is the extreme right hand point. So draw this right side, this point here, take this position, this is the extreme right bottom side. Then height is this line we have to draw here. I have to draw this line here, this line, and draw also the bottom line. And what is the width? Take 75 with the help of your scale. Suppose from here to here this is 75. Then what is the height of this? 12. And draw a vertical line and take 12 millimeter. That we can get also if this is also 12 millimeter. So draw the projection line with the help of this projection line and draw a vertical line. Then we can draw this edge of this face, this edge. Here is also another edge, that is in which distance? 25 distance, from 25 millimeter from this side, from the extreme bottom left. So take 25 and this one is 25 also. So take 25, suppose from here to here 25 is this one, and total is 75, means if this portion is 25, this portion is 25, then this portion, the distance between this gap is also 25 millimeter. So take 25, 25, 25, then you have to draw this just like this, and we don't know the height also. This height is not given here. We have to draw this height with the help of anything, suppose just like this. So here another line, just line for this line, join this line. This line, if we see from that side, then we get a straight line. For this curved line we can get a straight line. So join this. Join this and this line also. Then from 25 millimeter you have to draw a vertical line. You have to draw a vertical line. If we draw a vertical line, then we got this edge. And if we draw from this 25 millimeter, if we draw a vertical line, then we got this edge also. Then we got this edge also. So from here we can calculate the height of this with the help of this side view. Another thing is there, you can see here at the height of 12 millimeter from this edge, inclined edge, from here 12 millimeter, and this height is how much? This height is 16 millimeter is given. This height is 16 millimeter. This height is given 16 millimeter. Means at the distance 12. So take 12 millimeter from here. Take 12 millimeter. It is approximately 12 millimeter. So take 12 millimeter here and draw a vertical line from here, and take 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter, suppose up to that point, here to here, this is 16 millimeter, and then you draw a horizontal line, because this was the horizontal line. So then with the help of T square, draw a horizontal line. So we can get this triangular face. This face, this is the triangular face. Whatever we see from this side, this is our triangular face. Understand? This is our triangular face. So this face is there, this one, the gap face, this is the gap one, this face is this one, and this face is this one. But you can see here another edges is there that we can't see from this side, because it is the back side of this portion. This is the back side. This edge here, another edge is there, you can see. Sorry, you can see here. Sorry, another edge is there that we can see from this side, and join this. This is also here in this gap, but we can't see it. But another edges is there that we have to draw. So how we can draw? If we draw another projection line from here, then we can get this hidden line that is behind this surface, that is there, but we can see it from this right hand side. Then how you can draw this in the front view, what is the distance? Actually, distance is not given here. This distance is not given. So assume that this rectangle from in the front view, it is in the middle. From this side and this side, it is in the middle, this face. In case of in the front view, now I am telling about the front view. Top side view, right hand side views have already is completed, but we have to draw now this portion of the front view is now remaining, so we can draw it with the help of this right hand side view. How we can draw? This is 25, total is 63. If you deduct 25 and 25 means how much? 50. Then this is how much? The remaining portion is how much from 63? Sorry, 25. You deduct 25 from 63 total portion. Then we get how much? 5, 8, 30, 38. 38 means from here to here this is 19 and here to here this is 19. So draw two projection line from here and from here. Take 19 from here, take 19 from this side and from 19 from this side, and means this one is 25. Then we draw, this is the height, then we draw a rectangle, draw the vertical line, then we draw the rectangular. See? So this is the rectangle whatever we see from this front view. So with the help of this side view, by the help of projection line, we draw here the what? We draw this rectangular portion. Actually, we can't directly draw it with from the front view, but because we don't know the height, this height from this line, distance we know, inclined distance, but we don't know the height from the horizontal side. If we know, then we can get it from the right hand side view. So the front view is almost to be complete, but another side is there, that from the front you can see this line here and this line also, and this line, inclined line, is also you can see here. So you have to draw this. You can see, if you suppose that if you see from this side, if you see this side, then you can see this portion also, and what portion, and this portion. Up to this portion we can see it here, and also we can see this portion also, because if we see from that side we can see this portion also. So we have to draw this triangle, this square or rectangle also in our front view. From where we can get it? We can get it from here. Draw the projection line from this. From here we draw the projection line, and from here we have to draw the projection line. Then we get two lines. And what is the depth of this gap? What is the depth of this gap? The depth of this gap is, suppose it is 12 millimeter. It is 12 millimeter. Take 12 millimeter. So take 12 millimeter from this side. This is from this portion. Take 12 millimeter from this side and 12 millimeter from this side. Then you draw a vertical line, and you can get this portion also. This, for this point this is the projection line, and for this point this is the projection line. So we got this rectangle also. So this face is also seen. This face is also we can see here. So this is the complete drawing of front view. This is the complete drawing of front view. Understand? So now I am highlighting you with the help of a ball pen. This portion, this portion, this portion, this one, this portion also, this is the front view, total front view of the object. Okay, now I'm also draw the side view, highlighting the side view with the ball pen. But you must draw it with the help of your pencil, thick line with the pencil, not use ball pen. So this is the hidden line, this is the hidden line, and this line, you have to draw it. So this is the right hand side view, this is RHSV, right hand side view, this is front view, and we have to draw the top view also. We have to draw the top view also. For making the front view, draw a projection line here. So I will show you later. Now erase this one, these lines, because here we have to draw the projection line. We draw front view here, we have already drawn right hand side view here, and we draw the top view at the bottom of the front view. So we erase these lines which was drawn here, except we draw another lines. This is the XY line. We draw another 10 millimeter apart from the distance 10 millimeter on each and every side. Now we erase these lines, and from the coincide point of XX, XY and X1, Y1, we draw at an angle 45 degree a line with the help of 45 set square and T. Then we draw here another line, 45 degree line with the help of T square. And again we draw the projectile line from the front view, extend the projection line, and front view on each and every line. And also you can see this is the width in the front side, 63, so we can get 63 here. And this distance is how much? This is 75 millimeter. This is 75 millimeter. So this 75 millimeter we can get from with the help of this projection line. This is for this portion. Draw a horizontal line up to that point. Then draw after coinciding this 45 degree line from this point, coincide point, this point, we have to draw another horizontal line up to this portion. And from this line also we have to draw a vertical line up to that point. junction point of this 45 degree. Then draw a horizontal line from this point and join up to that. So we can get the overall dimension of the front view, top view, just like this. If we see it from the top, then we can get this portion with the help of, and we draw with the help of these two views. Now if we see it from the top, then we see this inclined portion, total this inclined portion, we can see it, if we see it from the top side, then we can see this face of this object from the top, total this inclined face from the top, and the horizontal face, this horizontal face from the top, this horizontal face from the top side, this inclined face from the top side, and this horizontal face also from the top side we can see. So these faces we have to draw in our top view. Here we have to draw here. Now see that this is the total outline, this is the total line, because this one inclined, so total from here to here, this is 75, so this one is 75, this one is 75, that we draw from the, with the help of this side view, 75 length we can get with the help of this projection line. And 63 we can got it from this front view, this 63. Now you can see here we have to draw this rectangle here, this rectangle here. So if we draw the projection line, this rectangle, this is the front and this is the top, so we can get it top and front here. So draw the projection line from here, draw a projection line from here to get this face, and also draw a projection line from here and also a projection line from here. You can get this rectangular face, means this portion and this portion is this rectangle. This rectangle is what? Which one? This one. This face from the top, whatever we see, this face. And from the top a gap is there. This is not a continuous line, this is not a continuous line, from a gap is there here. We can't, this is the hollow portion. If we see from the top, we have to draw this hollow portion also here, means this is not a continuous line if we see it from the top side. So this is the hollow portion, thickness is, this thickness is we can get from here, and this length from here. So draw another projection line from this portion and from this line a projection line up to that point, and then horizontal line, and from the thickness is got from the front view. So this portion, then we can find the gap portion from the top view. This gap portion we can find here with the help of this projection line. So erase this. This is not a continuous line because this one is a gap. So this gap we can find here. This is this one. If we see it from the top, then we can see here this gap. So another portion is there. So if we can get this, plane here, and this gap is here, and another face is this portion, this rectangle. Another rectangle is there that we can see it from the top. We have to draw it in our top view, where this is the gap portion, this one. So draw another projection line and projection line from here for this gap, for this width. We can get it from here. So draw projection line from here and projection line from here. Then we get this portion also, this rectangle also, from here to here. These are the point side line from here to here. So I complete the front top view also, and now I highlight this, take the outer line of the portion. Sorry, not this one. This is up to that point. So this is the outer line with the help of this ball pen. You can do with the help of your pencil. You just thick the line. You just draw thick line. Draw the edges with the help of thick line. Don't use ball pen in your drawing. You have to draw it with the help of your thick pencil or pencil. Just make pressure to give this thick line. This is our final top view. This is our final top view. And now you erase the extended portion of the your projection line. Erase the extended portion. Suppose from here one projection line is for this portion, we draw here, and here for this portion, this projection line we draw here. So up to that point and that point. Beyond this point, don't extend the projection line. So whatever the extension of your projection line, then you have to erase. After complete the drawing, you have to erase those lines. You have to erase those extended projection line. Understand? Suppose up to that point the projection line is required. So only you have to draw up to that point, not extend, not beyond that point. So beyond that point, if there is any projection line, even sitting there, we draw a projection line here. So beyond that point, no projection line is required. Understand? So this is our final drawing. This is the final top view. Understand? This is the gap portion. This is our final top view. So this is the top view, this is the front view, and this one is the right hand side view. So I think you understand this drawing, how you can draw in your drawing sheet. Now this is the first problem that I have already solved. If there is any doubt in your mind, then I will take a doubt class. So you have to clear, if you don't understand, so clear it in my doubt class. I think you understand this drawing. Now this one is the problem number 1. Now I am going to give you the problem number 2. You see here, this is the problem number 2. This is problem number 2. Just read it carefully. Draw the top view, front view, and left side view. Here this is our front. Here this is our front. Draw the top view, front view, and left side view of the given figure. So you have to draw the top view. Top view means plan. Top view is also called plan, and front view is also called elevation. That I have already told it in the during solving the previous problem. So front view is called elevation, top view is also called plan, and the left hand side view or left side view. So in this case this is the arrow sign. Arrow signs means that this is my front, this side is my front. I am standing here to see the object, means this is my front. This is my left side, and this one is the, if I see it from the top, that is our top side. So try to solve this problem by your own, or otherwise I will discuss you this problem into the next class. I will give you a link. I will discuss you in the next class. Try to solve this problem by your own. See the drawing, see the picture, and try to solve this problem by your own. Otherwise, I will discuss it in the next class. Thank you.